Let me show you how we can customize the home screen on the Motorola Moto G87 and how we can organize apps and pages on our home screen. So first of all, if you want to access some home screen settings, then you can press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen, and then we should be able to go to home settings. Now over here, we should be able to find, for example, curated content. We can also choose if we want to have the app drawer or not. You can adjust the icon size and so on and so forth. Besides that, I'm going to also mention some basics, like for example, how we can add apps to the home screen. So if you want to add more apps to the home screen, you can go to the app drawer, then you can press and hold your finger on any app that you want to add to the home screen. So let's say I'm going to choose this one over here. And after holding it, you can start moving it around, and then you can just place it anywhere you want it to add to the home screen. Of course, we can remove apps as well. So if you press and hold your finger on an app and start moving it, then you can drop it on this remove section at the top. It can also be positioned slightly on the left side over here if it is possible to uninstall an app. There we go. We can place apps in a folder. So as you can see here, we of course have a folder. And if you want to add a folder or create a folder, you can, for example, press and hold your finger on the first app that should be in a folder, and then drag and drop it on top of another app. And then we have our folder, and of course we can keep adding more and more apps into the folder. You can also customize a folder just a little bit. We can of course change the name. So if you tap on the current name, then you should be able to set a new one. And you can also make a folder bigger. So if you press and hold your finger on a folder, then you can choose a big folder, and there we go. As you can see, we have now 2x2 folder, which allows you to quickly open any of these apps that have bigger icons in the folder, unlike the smaller one. So in this case, if I want to open any of these apps, I can just tap on it, and there we go, then it works. And on the other hand, if I have a smaller folder, then of course I need to go to the folder first, and then I need to, and then I can choose the app. So as you can see, this can be very time efficient and very convenient. Now, besides that, if you want to remove a folder, you can either just take out every app from the folder, just outside of it, just like that. There we go. And another thing that you can do is press and hold your finger on a folder, and then here we have the delete options. Of course, you can remove the whole folder from the home screen just like that. And every app that was in the folder is going to be removed from the home screen as well. Other than that, you can press and hold your finger on an empty space, and you should be able to find the widgets option. And then over here in widgets, you can, well, as the name suggests, you can add widgets to the home screen. First, we have a list of apps, and you can simply choose from which app you want to get widgets. So let's say I'm gonna choose YouTube as an example. And then here we have all widgets that are provided by the app. So you can press and hold your finger to drag and drop the widget over here. And in some cases, you can also resize a widget. So if you press and hold your finger and then drop the widget anywhere, you might be able to find these circles, which you can use in order to resize the widget. And in some cases, resizing is well, you can resize to any size or almost any size. And in some cases, resizing is, of course, limited, so you cannot really resize to any size. And in some cases, resizing is completely impossible for specific widgets. You can also press and hold your finger on an app in order to find the widgets option. So as long as there is the widgets option, then you should be able to simply find the list of widgets provided by this specific app of your choice. And then you can, of course, add widgets to your home screen just like that, just like before. And of course, we also have home screen pages. And if you want to add a home screen page, you just have to go all the way to the right side with anything like a widget folder or app. And then you can place it over here, and then the new page is going to be created. If you want to remove the home screen page, you have to manually remove everything from that page. So you can either reposition any widget folder or app that you have on that page, or you just have to completely remove that from the home screen. And that is pretty much it. This is how we can organize our home screen on this phone. Of course, you can decide by yourself which apps you want to have access to on the home screen by just adding them. You can put them in a folder if you want to organize them in folders. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.